Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my dear students. I invite you the first video class of social science. In this class, I would like to present you some pictures and facts that we already learned in our first chapter, Early Human Life. Okay, what are the things you think about the early human thing? Stone was the first weapon of human being. So he began to use the stone as his first tools and weapons. So this period is known as the Stone Age. Stone Age may broadly divided into three periods. First one, Paleolithic Age, and second one is Mesolithic Age, and the third one is Neolithic Age. The main important evidences of the archaeology, making the cave paintings that point out the details about the early human being. From these cave paintings we got they hunted animals. It is their main important the daily earning. And most of these hunting they collectively engaged in recreational activities. These details we got from the cave paintings. They mainly using the plants extracts is the one of the important materials, and in spite of the plants extract they used the laterite powder for the cave painting. They got the more huge times of the leisure time for cave painting. As a result of their hunting and by using the stone tools and implements, and they fulfilled their needs for food. And in spite of and beside the hunting, they also engaged the other activities such as the fishing. It was their daily life. Next one, gathering of the fruits and vegetables is another their years of life. The main important the turning points of the history of early human life is the invention of the fire. The fire is using for the lightening of the lamp by using the animal fat. It is the main important the revolutionary changes in the early human life. And in order to lighten the cave, inner part of the cave they used the animal fat. For the another usages of the fire is the cooking food. Cooked food is felt the good taste for the early human life. So he began to use the grains, vegetables and gatherings and the flesh also cooking. So this fire is using then after for the turning points of the Paleolithic human beings. Then after technological skill of early man. Stone Age man have the knowledge on the some skill on the technical activities. These are such as the statue making of human figures. He engraved a number of the statues by using the stones, and that is the figures of human being. Next one is that by using the shells and bones, he have the knowledge of the designing of the ornaments. During the Paleolithic period, he enfried such kinds of ornaments. Cave wall paintings is the leisure time activities of the overall of the Paleolithic periods. They used such the materials for the cave wall paintings. And next one is that clay modeling is the another technological activities. By using the animals horns and bark, they began to make a number of the float by the wind strowing of the float. The bark fibers using for woven of the vessels for their cooking and eating the food. Paleolithic Paleolithic age sites. We have the number of the Paleolithic age sites from the different part of India. First one is Bhimbedka from Madhya Pradesh. Bhimbedka in Madhya Pradesh, we got a number of the cave paintings and other archaeological evidences. The next one is Kurnool cave in Andhra Pradesh, from where we got a number of the cave paintings and other remainings. The third one, Narmada Valley in Gujarat, also the another center of the Paleolithic Stone Age site. Fourth one, Nagarjuna Sagar in Andhra Pradesh is next Paleolithic site forever. And last and finally is the Hangsi in Karnataka is also considered as the best Paleolithic age site. Okay, once again please note the Paleolithic age. First one Bhimbedka, Narmada Valley, Nagarjuna Sagar, Hangsi and Kurnool caves is considered as the best Paleolithic sites forever. After the Paleolithic site, and we just went to the Mesolithic period. Okay, thank you.